that because I thought he was like, he wasn't like scared and stuff because when like page 186 in chapter 11, it said, I went back to the picnic table, packed up Medusa's head, and thrown out into the rouge sled. So he wasn't scared to send it to the gods that he accomplished the goal. Danny, how are you? I can't hear you.
I didn't have that.
How do you think he felt?
He felt proud to give a good head to God.
No, you weren't. No, you were not. There wasn't a single word.